Hi, Aura. Well, guys, this is the pile I am left with. I still have 10 of the 7/8 strut sticks. You're going to see what those are for here in an upcoming episode. But I only got 2 of the 1 5/8 left, so my calculations for buying the correct amount of strut were pretty much dead on. I am going to use those last 2 pieces up somewhere. Not quite sure where, but we'll see. So the progress that I made today is unbelievable. I got the base, which I would call the larger part of the frame, done. And so this is what it is going to look like, basically, except for some reinforcements. I'm going to do a whole episode on the reinforcements. I don't know why my phone is doing that choppy camera stuff. Sorry about that. But this is a part that I wanted to get to so I could focus on doing some of the reinforcements on the frame. Now I have the outline done, and I can just focus on getting some of the strengthening done with some of those strut pieces that are left over out there. This is pretty crazy that I got to this point. I don't know what other channels you guys watch, but if any other channel out there has content like this where they take a pile of rust and turn it into a badass snowcat, leave a link down in the description because I want to see it. This is crazy. There's so much space. There's going to be so much space inside here. It's nuts. So from the back here all the way to the fuel tank is exactly 6 feet to the back of the fuel tank. If you go past that, it's a little bit more, but it's what, 8 inches more? So 6 foot 8 inches. This is going to be awesome. You guys are going to have to wait and see what I'm going to do for doors on this, but I will give you a hint. I plan on making it a 5-door. And one of them is going to be dual purpose. And I bet you can guess what that'll be if you look at the back here. I'm going to have some fun with that. Boy, I don't know what else to say. I think I got so much done today, and I'm really pleased with the progress. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. I hope you guys are staying safe out there, and as always, take care, and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.